can I restore this coin? I'm going to take it out of the holder so we can take a closer look at it, but it has something on it. This is a 10 guild gold coin, and this is what it looks like with the tape residue on it before the acetone. And like I said, I use a Q-tip and I'm very gentle because sometimes just dipping it takes a lot longer. I don't have time to wait on that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not leaving coins in a substance anyways. So that's what I'm going to do. I will take and apply the acetone with a little bit of a Q-tip, and let's just see what it looks like after I'm finished. And like I said, I gently rub it. I'm not going to show you doing it. I'm going to show you the before and after though. It will not harm the coin. Acetone does not have the ability to harm any alloy of coins. It won't do it. If it does look like it afterwards, that's because the coin was already cleaned and you removed something that revealed the clean surfaces. Okay, now here is the coin after the restoration using acetone. And as you can see, it removed whatever that was on the coin, and this is what it was. It looked like it had a little PVC, but this is the Q-tip. This is what a Q-tip looked like afterwards. And sometimes you have to use a Q-tip if it's tape residue. It ended up coming off really quick, so it was real easy. But that really is a nice looking coin. It looks a lot better in hand. I mean, you're looking at this, quarter of the size of your screen. But there you have it. That's a restoration. And remember, acetone is not going to hurt your coin. If it does, it's already hurt before you touched it. And there's just no helping the coin that's already cleaned anyways. So thanks for watching my latest video. Please like, share, and comment, and have a great day.